Hello students, so I will be showing you in this video tutorial how to create your word art using www.wordart.com. Okay, so what you're going to do first is go to Create Now as you approach the website. Now, you're going to go over to the left side of the screen where it says Words. Your very first step will be clicking on Import, which is where you will place your writing sample. Now, for my writing sample, I have chosen to use the lyrics of Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus. You can also do this if you are stuck and you're unsure. Simply choose a song that you feel you can relate to or that you really enjoy. So I'm going to go ahead, copy and paste that into my word section. You'll see I have my lyrics here now. I'm going to import my words. Okay, you'll see that all come up here on the screen. Next, you're going to go down to Shapes. This is where you have the ability to form your words into a shape of your choosing. So for example, in order to show you how this works exactly, I'm going to choose a circular shape to represent my wrecking ball. Okay, here we go. We have a circle. Wonderful. Okay. Next, you're going to go down to Fonts, click over on Fonts, and now you can choose any of these given fonts for your word art. Because mine is a wrecking ball and I want to show more of a kind of destructive look, I'm going to look for a distressed font to kind of drive this point home. So here I'm going to choose Doc 51. Okay. Now all my words will be in this font. As you move down, you'll also see you have layout. This shows you the organization of how the words will be arranged. I personally really enjoy doing the horizontal and vertical. Kind of reminds me of cross-hatching. So I like this style. I'm going to keep words amount, keep as is. Density, you can leave it 20%. That's fine. Move down to style. This is where you can customize your words even furthermore. So if you have a background image, you can increase the size or decrease the size. We're not animating it, but if we were, this would be used. Color emphasis, do you want your words to be very bold, highly saturated, or more desaturated? I'm going to choose, let's do 45%, that should be fine. You can also use custom colors. If you click on the colors, you can choose which colors you want for Wrecking Ball. I'm going to go for, I want my words to stand out and I know my background is blue. So I'm going to choose the opposite of blue. I'm going to go for a nice contrasting color. Let me choose a nice like fiery red orange contrasting color. Okay. So now that I have everything selected, my last step will be to click Visualize. And now you see I have my word art here. I'm going to click on Download Standard JPEG. You want to click this option because otherwise it will try and charge you money. At this point, I'm going to export my image. This will save it. Word art. I'm going to say Drawing Painting 1, for example. Or you know what, I'll use my last name just to keep it simple. Here's my word art. I'm going to save it in my mixed media folder to keep everything, again, very organized. Okay, and that is it. So that is how you create your word art.